PSD file that I'm going to download from Google. As you can see, there are some sections like header, the content section, then we have some post sections inside this content, and we have the footer section, which is subdivided into 4 sections, and we have all the respective layers as well. We will slice all of the required images and save in our desired folder. And as you can see, the final product is this one. When you reload, I have added some extra features as well, like this slider, like the animation of this form and the navigation bar. And when I scroll down, you can see posts will come up and the masonry effect as well. When we go down, we have a footer down here. The next thing is, this website is also responsive. Let's resize our browser. As you can see, there is our navigation bar, there is our slider with the responsive images. When we scroll down, the posts will come up, which means the animation will also work on your mobile design. Let's go down, and we have a footer, and the content of this footer is also responsive. So there are a lot of places where you can use your PhDs to HTML skills, because this skill is most desirable, which means you can even start your online career with PhD to HTML skills. So basically in this course, a lot of things to run. No reason to sit back and just research. This is the course that will help you to enhance your front-end skills. So let's get started. I will meet you right in the course. Goodbye.